Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. Today, I have an episode of Try It, Don't Buy It. Now, I must give you a full disclaimer. This comes to me from the good folks over at smartsign.com. Smartsign.com asked me if I would review one of their products. And I said, sure, because I love signs. So what they did is they sent me their link to their website. And on their website, you can design any sign of any size. It's a pretty cool website. It's very easy to use. You can go in and you can download your own artwork, which is what I did, or you can use one of their very templates. And they have artwork, and they have images, and they have different fonts and all that kind of good stuff that you can use. It's a pretty intuitive website. I mean, you have to have a little bit of knowledge about, how to move this here and how to move that there. But for the most part, it's very, very intuitive, and it's easy to work with. And then, so what you do is you download your artwork if you want to, like I did. And about 10 days later, you get yourself a little sign. And so this came into the mail to me. I believe that this retails for like $23.99, I believe it was, in that price range. And it came to me in 10 days. It was very, very quick and easy. Came nicely, flatly shipped, and no problems there. The one thing I will say about it is that the metal is a little thinner than I was expecting it to be. There's a little more flex here than I thought there would be. But I have to tell you, as far as quality on printing, it's well done. It's very smooth, it's very shiny, it's really, really nicely printed. I like the ease of putting together the sign. I like the ease of how they sent it out. They were really, really responsive as to, when the order went in, sending me my proof, making sure that I knew that it was being sent out, all of those good steps. So it's a really great website, and it's a really great place to get signs. So as far as try it, don't buy it, I'm going to tell you, Smart Sign, try it. For more fun ideas like this, check us out at Sophie-World.com.